Oh yeah, what a beautiful engine this is. This is an Luzerne, Susquehanna Railway. It's an old GP9. It's a high hood too. This is not really Andy's engine, but it's just here for some wheel work, I was told. But yeah. Wait, and the sun's beating on there. Wait a minute. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, what a fantastic looking unit. How often do you get to get some close-ups of an old high hood GP9 like this? Not often. And there's yeah, SD50. That's definitely Andy's engine there.